Welcome to today's lesson. In this tutorial, we learn how to create a simple JavaScript function to ensure that any provided value is returned as an array, whether the value is already an array or a standalone item. This function will handle it effectively. Let's get started. The problem is straightforward. We need a function that takes any value and returns it as an array. If the input is already an array, it is returned unchanged. Otherwise, we wrap the value inside a new array. This utility function is particularly useful when handling dynamic input types in JavaScript. This code defines the castArray function using the ES5 syntax. It first checks if the provided value is already an array using Array.isArray. If true, it returns the value as is. Otherwise, it wraps the value into a new array. Let's look at some examples to see how this works. The function operates in three simple steps. First, it checks if the input is already an array using Array.isArray. Based on the result, either returns the input as is or wraps it in a new array. This ensures that the output is always an array regardless of the input type. In this example analysis, we see how the function behaves with various input types, whether it is a string, number, or even undefined. The function guarantees that the output will always be an array. If the input is already an array, it is returned as is. In the ES6 version, we simplify the function using an arrow function. This logic remains the same, but the syntax is more concise, making it easy to read and maintain. Let's now explore some real-world applications for this utility function. The castArray function has practical applications in real-world scenarios. For instance, it's useful in APIs or libraries where inputs can be single values or arrays. By normalizing the data into an array, we ensure consistent processing downstream. To wrap up, the castArray function is a simple yet powerful tool for ensuring consistent data structures. It's particularly valuable in scenarios involving dynamic input handling or data normalization. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.